Hey guys, I'm RJP. I haven't done a video in a while, but I'm at the Big Red House. That means Big Red introduction. Why are my lips so red? I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, Big Red introduction. If you haven't checked, here in my YouTube community, I said I would do a video with Big Red, $25 Troy. I bought, hold on, let me see what year it is. I bought a 2016 Troy-Bilt Bronco Auto. It says auto because it's an automatic. If you don't know what hydrostatic lawnmower transmission, that's what the John Deere was. We junked it. Go watch this is what I do at my grandma's house. That's the John Deere. That was a hydro. My first ever riding lawnmower. That started it all. Can't fully swap hydros, so I got a manual, which was the Craftsman, otherwise known as LT Johnson. I'm gonna call it that. LT Johnson and Big Red. It came. Bought it for $25. It has a 19 horsepower Kohler Courage engine, 576 cc's. It's not a hydro. It's an F&R. I'll do the first one. Ta-da! And the paint was all faded, so the hood was not. It was like white. Put some paint shiner on it. Got it looking pretty good. Those are not the wheels. I had put new wheels on because those wheels are all trash. Anyway, it is an F&R. But the belt system, it is not a transmatic like most TMBs are. TMB stands for Troy-Bilt. Blade engagement. Deck lift. Although the deck is not here because the deck was all rusty and I tried to, so I'm sitting on it. And I was about to put the blades down, throw the blades down. Hold on. Fly out from that side and that side at the same time. The blades were laying right there, half the blades, and the whole blade was sitting right here. The belt exploded. Everything exploded with a big loud noise. The deck was trashed. I did do some modifications. I have this here. Switch. If I turn the key on, you can look right here. So the lights would be always on, and then that bulb blew up. The bulb blew up. Rebuilt the carburetor. I rebuilt the carburetor, came twin cam, 19 horse Kohler Courage. Hood is so cockeyed. Why is this hood cockeyed? I don't know. 19 horsepower. Oh, Kohler Courage. This is not the clutch. This is a parking brake. Parking brake. No clutch. This, I'll show you in a minute. This is how I go. Push this to go forward. The harder I push it, the faster I go. Put it in gear. Put it in the gear I want. We'll see forward. It's running. Push the pedal, and it goes. Gas tank has a little bit of gas left. I did put this here because I didn't want it to leak. It doesn't leak, but I just wanted to make sure. Here's the belt system. Anyway, see that rod? That is supposed to go to the transmission. But the transmission brake is seized and that bar does not. Oh my goodness. Ew. Anyway, that bar doesn't work. This is a belt tensioner spring right here. Let me get down and explain the belt system. Here's the belt system. So this pulley is able to be flopped, but I don't have the right size belt yet. In the process of a million things right now. So look, when I push that pedal forward, tensions the belt on the front. See, loose, tight, and then this goes to that, tightens to the torque converter pulley. Back there, the double stack. Oh, jeez, I flipped it around with my hand. Goes to the back, the torque converter pulley. Back there. Get a good look at that. The double stack, that fin does move, that transaxle pulley, still there, 2-belt system. And then there's the transmission right there, tiny little F and R. Here's my shifter, if you want to see that one. That's forward, neutral, reverse. So forward's all the way in, neutral is in the middle, and that's reverse. And these were the deck lifter things. I just tied them down. Wheels hold air. Don't mind that. That is just sketchiness. There. But I'll start it up. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little walk down. I disabled all the sensors. Disabled the seat sensor. Pretty easy. Just pull off those two things. Brake sensor is bypassed. Now there's supposed to be a sensor down there. See that? It's supposed to be a clutch sensor. But I never needed to disable that for some reason. Anyway, yeah, let's start it up. Choke. Eh? Oh. Can't start it with the blades engaged. Let that warm up for a minute. like this. The grass goes down and it gets stuck right there, so that right there is all water. And it makes ruts. So I'm just gonna skip to where I'm gonna go up there, come back, and I would be right there. So, and I just came over here and backed up. But you would be going back that way, coming right here, end up right here. Whoa, don't reverse. Come right here. This is the first lap. Come through here. Go back through the playhouse. This is still lap 1. Hey, throttle hack. You can get a little bit more throttle if you go right there. And that's 1 lap. So that's the track. I will be doing that with the Craftsman, LT Johnson, other known as. But we finished the Craftsman. Why are my freaking lips so red? I don't know. Oh, thank you so much for 74 likes on my new Cheez-It video. Thank you. I don't do green screen that much, but if you want me to do green screen, hashtag green screen on that video. Okay? Hashtag green screen if you want to see me do green screen videos once a week. I'm trying to do videos twice a month. I'll put that in my channel, about my channel. But anyway, put this thing in neutral. Anyway, when I'm pulley flopped, I'm cruising around and forward. The clutch doesn't work. There's no engagement, so it's always spinning. I'd put it in neutral right here, and it's still going. So what I have to do is I have to bring this thing out here without going here. So what I have to do to stop is I have to go here. I have to go, while I'm moving, I have to look down here. And I have to go here, but I have to go here. But reverse is right here. Reverse is right here. If I go anywhere past this point, it's reverse. So what I have to do is if I go here, it still moves. So I have to kind of play around with it just to disengage. So the transmission works like this. F&R transmission. Here's forward. Pretend this is a circular gear. This is a circular gear. What they do is it moves it like this. Reverse, neutral, forward. But I think it gets caught right here, and it's still spinning, so you kind of have to click it over here. Reverse, neutral, forward. Well, neutral, forward, reverse. Does that make any sense? I don't know. Whatever. But we did work on the Craftsman. 99.9% done. All I have to do is get a 7-inch front pulley, get a new transmission. I'm thinking not going with Tecumseh again. That was a nightmare. We ripped the thing out. Go watch the Mower Series Part 1. Excuse me. Anyway, it's finished. As you see in the last clips, I had a vice grip for the shifter and the back pulley kept falling off. It's dialed. 99.9. There's no throttle. Goes 21. With it rev lining. 3-inch pulley in the back. 3.5 inch in the front. Anyway, the last time you saw it, there was no body. I was sitting right here. I was sitting on this bar, but the body is on. Ta-da! The body is on. I think it looks pretty cool. We don't have hood yet because we had to lift that whole front end up. My shifter is goofy, but it does this. The whole kind of seat flexes because of this. Because there is, see that empty space? See that empty space right there? That's the body on top, and that's the actual frame. And that's why it makes this noise. So you ignore the noise, sit on it. You're driving, I could put the phone in here. And by the way, I lost my GoPro, or I would have put you guys up here, and I could have done a test, but I lost it. So, whatever. Clutch, optional, whatever. The belt's not on right now because I have to take the idler pulley off of that one. Because this one, the belt got so hot, it melted that plastic idler pulley. So, in order to drive this, I have to take the idler pulley off of that, and I have to take the battery. Because there is no battery, battery's empty. So, shifter. Reverse, neutral, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Shifter was so easy. It used to be just this bar, but you had to reach. So here's me driving. I'm driving right with my hands on the steering wheel. You guys are right here. I would have to lean all the way down here and shift it. So now all I have to do is just put my hand. All I have to do is put my hand right here. I would usually drive with the hand that I'm holding the phone with. But like this. Drive like this. Clutch in. But I'm still driving. Take this hand. Let's say I'm here, fourth gear. Shift to right, and I'd still be driving with this hand, so I don't have to reach all the way down there for it. Anyway, the body, we were gonna go with the bending of the flap, but as you can see, that didn't really work too well. Don't worry, we'll get this fixed out. But we kind of went all the way down there. Down here, and we were going to cut here, you can see dimple, and bend it up, but, so the wheel is right here, and the seat would be right here. Seat was too big, and the guy who originally did it had tires that were this skinny. He had skinny tires. Should have paid attention to that. My fault. Anyway, yep, so that's this one. Taking it for a test drive soon, but as I said, I was trying to do a video 2 days ago, but my grandma's phone got full. So yeah, but 1 minute, she's calling right now. I'll be right back. I don't know, she called, talked to me for a minute. Anyway, I was just updating Troy and LT Johnson. Oh, and my dirt bike broke. Oh, my dirt bike broke. My cousin, who hasn't ridden it in forever, if you're seeing this video, I'm not trying to put you down, but anyway, my cousin, another cousin, I had 5 cousins. My other cousin, who I taught how to drive it, was teaching her how to drive it again because she hasn't driven it in a while. She was holding the clutch in, and she revlined, let it out, crashed into a tree, bent the front tire. I don't have a problem with that. I just haven't gotten the time to fix it because I've been fooling around with mowers. Whatever. But I have another tire that I'm going to put on it eventually, so no harm done. But comment below what you want to see with $25 Troy and LT Johnson. And if you like the mower content, please like and subscribe. Thank you. RGP out. See See. Wait a minute, the video's not done yet. Ooh. Did I get you? Or did you look at how long the video is? Cheaters. Anyway, I just wanted to show you how bad the deck is. Very bad. It's over by the mower area. The mower area. Push mower. Video coming soon. My uncle's jet ski. $300 Yamaha Wave Runner. Engines apart. There's the errands. Same thing happened as the Craftsman. I tried to get that back pulley off. Ripped the hole. You can see all the gears. It's not good. Whatever. I have this blanket over here to cover it. Anyway, that deck. It looks good from the top. The belt blew up. Half the blade. Deck's in bad shape. I just wanted to show you that. So, good pulleys though. Good pulleys. See ya.